Good morning, darling.
Good morning, Dad.
Rise and shine, sweetheart.
Good morning, Daddy.
Wakey, wakey, TJ.
Good morning, Dad.
Now that you're all awake, I have something special to show you. Isn't it fun when you feel like you have been playing a lot? Then you decided that you want to take some time out of those video games and experience the outdoors.
It sure is, Dad. It sure is.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, TJ.
Thank you so much for taking us on this trip. It was fun.
Same here.
Me too.
You're welcome, kids. This is better than playing video games all day.
Yes.
Yes.
Excellent. This calls for a group hug. I'm glad to spend time with all of you. Let's go home. So kids, what was your favorite part of this trip?
I like the part when Dylan fell flat on his face when he caught the football.
TJ, I was seriously hurt.
No starting a fight, please. Let's just enjoy the ride home.
Okay, Dad.